Hi everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok unstable internet connection. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many method to solve this issue. First is check your internet connection. So just simply go to settings. If you are connected with Wi-Fi, just simply tap on Wi-Fi and turn the toggle on and fix your network connection. Go back and here you can see airplane mode. If you have turn it on, turn it off back and turn it on and turn it off to fix your network problem. So guys, if the solution is not working, then we move to another is go to settings. Here you can see general, tap on it, scroll to the bottom and here you can see VPN and devices. If you have connected with VPN, just simply open the VPN and turn it off to fix your network connection. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is go to the app store. Here you can search the TikTok, tap on it. If you have any update, tap on update and update your TikTok app to fix your unstable internet connection. If the solution is also not working, then we move to another is go to settings. Here you can see tap on general. You can see software update, tap on it, wait for a few seconds. If you have any pending update, tap on update no to update your software update and fix your problem. If the solution is also not working, then we move to another is go to settings, go to general, scroll to the bottom and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset. Here you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So go back, tap on settings, go to the general, iPhone storage. Here you can see TikTok, tap on it, tap on offload app and again reinstall it to fix your unstable internet connection. Go back. If all these solution is not working, then we move to another is force restart your iPhone. Just simply go to settings, general, scroll down and tap on shutdown. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.